How to use gift card on trip.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can use a gift card on trip.com app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use the gift card on the trip.com app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the trip.com app over here, as you can find it. Once you find the trip.com app over here, just tap the account option from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then over there you'll be able to see this option over here that says gift cards. Now just make sure to tap on it. Now over here, first of all, just make sure to check the balance of your gift card. All you have to do is make sure to go ahead and enter the gift card number over here. Once you make sure to enter the gift card number, in this case that you have it, you can simply enter the PIN number of the gift card over here as well. Once you enter the PIN number of the gift card, tap the check balance option. You'll be able to find out the balance of your current gift card, and then you'll also be able to redeem and use them. This way you can use your gift card on trip.com. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.